Hi, this is Elisa, and this is just a very quick update on one of the sites that we have asked you to go to for the assignment 5F and G water cycle. This is the second site we ask you to go to, and the directions say scroll down until you see 3 graphs. There are then basically 4 questions, 3 of which are tied directly to this graphical representation. Part of this is to support you as you work with students in terms of graphs and how you can read different graphs. So the first question essentially is asking you how much of the total global water is fresh water. So we come over here and we're going to look at total global water right here. So we're going to focus just on this particular stacked graph. And the question is asking how much of the total global water is fresh water. And this is where we want to take a look. This blue little portion up here is fresh water. And you can see fresh water is 2.5% of the total global water. There have been individuals that state some of the next major wars throughout the globe may be based on fresh water. Now, whether or not that's true, the point that's trying to be made is fresh water is often scarce and can lead to quite a bit of conflict, compromise, and treaties. So here we have fresh water is 2.5%, and then we have this line right here with this large bracket. So this is a blow up. This is a blow up of this little blue piece. So the second question is asking, of this global fresh water, the majority are found where? So once again, this fresh water is blown up, and it's what we see here. So the majority of this fresh water is found in glaciers and ice caps. And then here's our caption of fresh water. Of the surface water, okay, so now we're going to say, wait a second. Of the surface water, where's the surface water? Surface water is once again just a very small piece of this second portion of the graph. It's this little tiny layer that we see here of blue. So of the fresh water, 1.3% is surface water, approximately. So surface water, if we blow this up and say, well, where does the surface water come from? The majority of it is not found in lakes or rivers or atmospheric water or soil moisture. It's found in ice and snow. 73% of the surface water of the fresh water on our planet is found in ice and snow. And of course, there's a great debate, a lot of discussion about global climate change, but this is where we can use these jumping off pieces of data. Now this comes from 1993. It's USGS. I'm going to assume it's relatively accurate, but of course these are updated frequently and you may well find more recent graphs. Thanks for your attention.